So on the Epson printer, let's just keep moving down until we reach to maintenance and then click on OK. And then the first option that we will do is called a nozzle check. Click on OK again. Make sure you have paper loaded into the Epson printer, then click on OK. Or sorry, this button right here for print. Let's go ahead and click on that. And then just give it a few seconds. Now we have the printout here, and then this section right here is what you want to focus on. These are all the different lines here. As you can see on the black ink section, there is a small smudge here on that third last line. So if everything comes out fine, you're perfectly okay. You don't need to do any sort of additional work. However, if it comes out like this, you have to go ahead and print and do the print head cleaning, which I'm going to show you here now. So you do have the option to go ahead and do the print head cleaning. It will go ahead and check to see if there are any missing segments. So if they are, you can go ahead and click on yes. Now for this, I'm just going to go ahead and click on no. And next I'm going to show you how to go ahead and do the print cleaning or the print head cleaning manually. Make sure you have maintenance here selected, click on OK. And then the second option is the head cleaning that we want to go ahead and do. Click on OK. And this will go ahead and do the print head cleaning. That is what the option says. Let's click on OK. Again, we make sure we have paper loaded into the printer, and then let's go ahead and click on start. This process will take a few minutes, 3 minutes to be exact. So let's just come back in 3 minutes. Now the print head cleaning is done. So this was the original one with the smudge right there. And now this is the brand new one here. So you see, there's a difference between this and this one. So everything's all good. Let's go ahead and say if there are any missing segments, click on OK, and now we're all done.